Hello and welcome back to my channel of the Nasdaq scalping bot. It's a bot, it's made in Python, but the goal to do some automated trading on the Nasdaq. With automated trading, we earn some passive income. And in a daily report, I show you guys what did I change in the code, how did the bot do, and how are we doing on the market. And it's Monday, it's a new week, and we're gonna see what we did today. So as usual, let's start with the code. And this is the code, and question is, did I make any changes to the code? And the answer is no. Why not? Well, we did last Friday, made some changes in the strategy pie about this one, 3 candles into the AI, and I changed the AI also and be trained with a 3 candle advice. So that's what I did last Friday, and that's what we're testing. And so there were no changes in the code for today because we're testing. So that's a short one. I guess it's gonna be a very short video today again. So let's take a look at the code, and the code is that there's nothing changed. But if you look down here, you see all the contracts that were opened, and not even the contracts. These are all the advice that the bot has given to open a contract. We see a sell, a buy, a sell, etc. And with a high confidence, and we see a lot of those. And I was wondering today, while I was watching this going on and thinking, does the AI ever say no? As in, I don't have the confidence enough to give a decision as do a buy or sell. So is there always a buy or a sell decision? And I do not know. So after I kill the bot, after making this video, I want to make the change that I can see that there is an advice request out on the AI. And does the AI ever reject that request or say not good? Or because if the AI is always making a decision on every request it gets, then we see, like we see right here, we have a heck of a lot requests going on, and a heck of a lot candles, not candles, a heck of a lot contracts going on. And even with a high confidence, I don't know. And if we're gonna leave the code, so before we're gonna leave the code, so I want to make a change in the code to see if the bot is asked for or the AI, if the AI is asked for an advice and says no. That's the only change I'm planning to do, and I don't think that's much of a lot of work. So it's only opening somewhere a line in a printout from let's have an advice from the AI, but that's the only thing. Because I see a lot of advices this day, and if we leave the bot, we leave the code, and we go to the bot, then the bot functions as it should be. So nothing wrong there. There are no errors, etc. Again, short video. And what I see, and what you all guys also see, is we have a daily profit now today of minus 43. That's not good. And we know, and I said it on Friday, if the profit we made on Friday is pure luck, and also today the luck turns against us, and then you have a 43 euro loss, then the AI is no good to us. Why should I use AI if it cannot make the right decision? So let's take a look at the market. And if we look at the market today, the Nasdaq, and I will grab the 1 hour, then we see we had today a market that went down. Again, we see a good downtrend all the way until today, and only the last couple of hours it went up with some doji candles right here, not knowing to do up or down. Yeah, you see the MACD history shows a lot of green bars going up, so it looks like the market is bouncing back. But what's going on in the United States and tariffs hitting once April 2nd, so in 2 days, for, as I heard Trump today on his Air Force One plane, we're gonna tariff the entire world. I'm not sure if the US 100 or if the Dow Jones, the indicator for the market in the US, is going to show a green upline or a uptrend or some blue candles. I fear that this is only temporary and that we won't see a growth back into the US until something is going on or something is changed in the view of the President of the United States and how the economy actually works. That aside, let's take a look at the reports. And in the reports, we see a lot of contracts opened today, and with small losses. These are losses: €2, €3, €1, €3, €2, €4. 4 and 5 are the bigger ones. 2, 4, 1, 1. So the suggestion of the AI to open a contract was correct, but the trailing stop loss, that's what we want to do, triggers, and then we see that it was positive for some time, and then it went negative, and at that moment the stop loss kicks in, the trailing stop loss kicks in, and then we have a small loss, but nevertheless a loss. And then we see we've got some positives, 2 and 7 together 9, and I got another 6 is 15. Let's say 17. Yeah, almost €17 positive, and the rest is all negative. And these are all based on the advice of the AI. I'm not sure that the AI is the answer to making this bot as it should be, fully automated and making the right decisions. So I'm going to kill the bot in a few minutes, and then I'm going to add a printout so I can see if the bot is actually requesting an advice from the AI, and the AI says, no way, we're not going to do this. This is not good. So with other words, if the AI, let's grab the code again, if the AI ever have a confidence lower as, let's say, 82, a confidence of 49, and a confidence of 60, and saying, no, I don't advise to make a buy, because I don't believe that this is actually happening. But we're going to see in a few moments when I kill the bot and make the code, and then we will see how it will do in the next day. So let's take a look at the VIX. And the VIX, yeah, it's a blue candle, but not with full confidence. Yeah. Okay, let's stick to the US 100 and let's see how our bot reacts on this fairly strange market that's going on. And then I will back to you guys with a new report tomorrow. So like, subscribe, and leave a comment. What do you think? What is the market doing, and what is the effects that the president has on this market? Have a little fun every day, and see you guys tomorrow.